I remember I was struck by the harmony of colour in the forest. Shades of yellow and green deepening to the browns and purples. And the way the vines curled up through the trees, clinging to twigs and branches. The gentle breeze rustled the leaves so that the shining stars of light gleamed and winked. I was keenly aware of secret movements in the trees. I looked into his large and lustrous eyes. They seemed somehow to express his entire personality, his serene self-assurance. What an amazing privilege it was to be utterly accepted thus by a wild, free animal. I lay there, part of the forest, and experienced again that magical enhancement of sound, that added richness of perception. I was awed by the beauty, and I found myself thinking, this is where I belong. Together, the chimpanzees and the baboons and the monkeys, the birds and insects, the teeming life of the vibrant forest, the stirrings of the never-still waters of the Great Lake, formed one whole. All one.